Hi and good evening. I am your tarot guide and tarot counselor Harshita. So we are doing readings for March month and we are starting with the alphabet H. So let's get started. पहला हफ्ता कैसा होगा मार्च वालों का जिनका नाम आता है H से. So पहला हफ्ता होगा minor happiness. You are happy, you are enjoying with your family and it can be emotional moment. बहुत सारे emotional moments होंगे जहां आप बहुत सारी happiness को celebrate कर रहे हैं अपनी family के साथ. दूसरा हफ्ता hard work, routine, you are busy and maybe you are very bored of following the same routine. लेकिन आपके पास money issues नहीं होंगे. You will not have any money issues. तीसरा हफ्ता it can be a minor heartbreak. किसी thought process के कारण, किसी habit के कारण आपका heartbreak हो सकता है. You will be sad in that moment. Third week of March. Okay. So what is the reason of sadness? So the reason of sadness is डेथ ऑफ समथिंग. ऐसा कोई पैटर्न है जिसको आप लेट गो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, जिसकी डेथ होना, जिसको लेट गो करना बहुत जरूरी है. So I can see a death of some pattern and new beginnings. So somewhere if you're not able to let go of some of your habits or patterns, let them go. So you will definitely start with something new. And what is that something new? Something new is you are looking into the past, but you are moving forward. There is an ending of something and beginning of something very beautiful in your life. Third week of March. It is very auspicious for you. It is already lucky for you and it is bringing lots of gifts for you, and it can also be a week of travel. Then come to the last week, fourth week. You're very satisfied on the last week of March. You have earned a lot in your life. You have a very nurturing kind of energy and you are a provider. You are in a state where you have struggled a lot and now you are seated at a place where you are very calm, composed, and you have everything that you require, all the materialistic things, and obviously you don't have any issues related with money. आपका कोई भी money issue नहीं है. फिर से बात करते हैं मार्च का पहला वीक जहां पे आप फैमिली के साथ हैं, यू आर सेलिब्रेटिंग विद द फैमिली. सो सम थिंग्स आर टेलिंग यू अनलाइकली. सो लाइफ इज नॉट ऑलवेज जैसा हम प्लान करें हमको वैसी ही मिले. सो हेयर एंजल्स आर टेलिंग यू कि जैसा आप प्लान कर रहे हो वैसा तो नहीं होगा, बट something better is on your way. Something better is happening. God is planning for you. That is something more beautiful and better. And then again you have a choice. It's up to you. Then अगर हम फिर से बात करते हैं second week of March की, Archangel, dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for helping me breathe easier in all ways. So you are blessed with the blessings of Archangel Raphael. He's telling you to breathe properly, go into fresh air, and he is giving you healing kind of energies also. Then again, thank you for the divine healing power and presence. So you will be feeling a lot of presence and power of archangels around you and Archangel Raphael also. Then third week of March, your connection to crystals and gemstone is a channel for healing energy. So somewhere you're guided to do healing with crystals. Start keeping crystals with yourself. Start healing people with crystals and yourself also. Then again, I can see heart's desires. The angels are supporting, guiding, and protecting you as your dreams become a reality. So, whatever is your heart desire, third week, आपके दिल की इच्छा पूरी कर रहे हैं angels. They're completing, they're guiding you, they're protecting you, and they are helping you in making your dreams a reality. Okay, so I can see very beautiful energies of March month. Then fourth week, that will be a last week of March, Archangel Raphael, give your care. So whatever you are worried about, give all your worries and give all your tensions to archangels. They are telling you to give everything to us and allow us to take your burdens. So angels are there to take all your burdens and they are ready to help you. Then for little goals, start challenging yourself so that you can reach towards your goal. Then now, see what is the message from uh, Bappa, message from removal of all the blockages, acceptance. So somewhere you are not accepting the things as they are. You have caught up. So in some blame, shame, and you are stuck into a past. So this card is telling you is to accept the things as they are, and you need to forgive people around you who are your family person. You just need to forgive them and move forward with ease and grace. Laugh at little things. Ganesha is suggesting you to not always be so serious. Start laughing at small things. Ganesha is holding banana, and which symbolizes humility and awareness of not placing too much importance to your thoughts and beliefs. So whatever thoughts and beliefs you're having right now, don't give it too much of importance. Give all your problems as Ganesha consumes all the problems, all of your sufferings, if you give it to him. So start giving all your problems, your sadness to Ganesha. Okay, invoke the energy of Ganesha, and Ganesha will obviously help you out. Animal spirit guide of Mantis, please chant 1111 times. Mongoose spirit, evolve my agility. I function with agility. I function with agility. Now see what is the message from Great Golden Spirit Guide Hanumanji. बुद्धिहीन तनु जान के सुमरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहे हरहु कलेश विकार. So while you are on the journey of letting go, while you are on the journey of forgiveness, while you are on the journey of learning to be free and laugh at little things, you can also chant this chapai. Buddhihin tanu jaan ke sumreo pavan kumar. Ask him to gift you bala buddhi vidya dehu mohe. और आपका जो भी कलेश बेकार है वो हनुमान जी हर ले. So with this beautiful readings, I'm ending the readings for March month for alphabet H. Hope you enjoy the readings and it will help you to understand the roadmap the whole month of March. Thank you and hope you like my video. Thank you.